Hello some viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video we are going to discuss how we can find the occurrence of an element in a particular string. How many times it has occurred. For example, if I am entering test, the occurrence of t is 2 times, right? That is what I have to find out here. For that guys, what you have to do, let me take a scanner class, scan equal to, so I'll just write this out, enter the string value. So this is what the test will be. Okay, so I'm doing the scanner next, so string value, or I can just write entered value equal to scan.next. Okay, now you also have to check what is the occurrence of this particular variable. Now I have to pass t. Let me copy the same thing. So I can just write enter the character to search. Okay. So this character we have to search. Okay. So now it can be str we can write. Okay. Now let us find this str to a character array. Char to find equal to str dot to char array. Why? So we might be entering only one value. So if we give string dot equals for a single character, it might not work out. That is the reason why we are converting whatever the string value to a character to find it out. Okay. Int I equal to 0, I less than entered value dot length and I plus plus. So now here you have to, it should find the value. Assuming we'll only enter one character to search in the entire string, let us give a condition. If char to find of 0 equals to entered value dot caret of I. Okay, so this one will make sure the entered value will be there. And also let us add a count value here. Int count, will have this counter, count equal to 0, and here what we'll do inside count plus plus will do with a semicolon. How many times you can enter, that count value should be increment always. Okay, after the loop just write sys out entered value is this one, entered value, and occurrence of, what we have to see, occurrence of is count. Okay, that's it. Okay, I'll add the program in the description. You can say in the description. Okay, let me run the program. Enter string value again test. So I want to search for t. The entered value is test. Occurrence of the t is 2 times. Okay, let us go for a negative scenario. Again, enter for test. Search for v. The entered value of test. Entered value is test. Occurrence of v is 0 times. Hope you like the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.